When you open any web page, you see a unique web address in your browser. This address is called a permalink. In this video, we will learn what a permalink is, why it is important, and how it impacts SEO. A permalink, short for permanent link, is the complete URL that leads directly to a specific page, blog post, or a piece of content on your website. If you have a blog post titled 10 SEO tips, the permalink might look like example.com/SEO-tips. This ensures people can revisit the same page anytime. A clean and keyword-rich permalink helps search engine understand your content and improves your ranking. Messy URLs can confuse both users and Google. A permalink consists of your domain name and the slug. For example, domain example.com slug/SEO-tips. There are two main types. Static permalinks always stay the same. Dynamic permalinks include variables and change based on parameters. In WordPress, you can set your permalink structure under Settings, Permalinks. Choose a format that is short, clear, and SEO-friendly. Use lowercase letters, separate words with hyphens, avoid numbers, and keep it short. Include keywords but don't overstuff. If you change a permalink, always set up a 301 redirect. This tells search engine and users where the new page is, preserving SEO value. Don't use long strings of numbers, special characters, or unnecessary words. They look unprofessional and harms SEO. A permalink is your page's permanent address online. Make it clear, clean, relevant, and keyword-rich for best SEO impact. Now that you know what a permalink is, review your website URLs and make them SEO-friendly. Like this video, subscribe for more SEO tips, and share it with your friends.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.